Hi, today I'm so happy thinking that it's now 7 days prior to our second anniversary, and I will share with you my realization why we're still surviving until today. We found out that we really required a high level of commitment and patience in doing this type of business. This is a grocery store that simply involved in retail, that we are selling mostly the daily needs of the people living in our community. Like every other business, the requirements are pretty much the same. We need to have a target customer, good location, and know the required capital, and settle the information of the grocery store. We need to know all the expenses required that keeping our store running. And of course, we need to have all the right documentation in order to run smoothly. And of course, from the start, we need to have a legal requirements needs to comply on a timely fashion, includes business license, employment agreement, and of course the employee's SSS, in order to eradicate paying penalties, as we have experienced. We are paying for more than a year of the employee's SSS. Now, it's 7 days prior to anniversary. So this is the day I realized that we have 7 steps needs to improve also. First one, we need to improve our customer service. We make sure that our customers will feel welcome and appreciate is essential to our groceries success. We will train our staff so that they can exceed the customers' expectations. Employ people who are friendly and good communication skills. We should provide also the uniforms of all the employees so that customers can easily identify them that they belongs to DCS. The second one is we have to keep our store clean. So no one would want to walk into a dirty grocery store, streaming with flies and all kinds of bugs. Keep our store clean and well arranged, not just to create a welcoming environment for our customer, but also we have to maintain the hygiene and health of our employee, our customers, and of course ourselves. Third one is the same with other business. We have to improve the market strategy, because implementing a good marketing plan is a big step towards our business success. We need to attract, of course, the customers to our grocery stores by leveraging promotions. However, we'll have to be careful not to incur losses in the process. We might as well create a social media platform where we can communicate to customers and also advertise our store, which is the most important, because we are just 2 years in the operation. We need a good advertisement and marketing strategy. The fourth one is we need to improve our stock inventory, because we know that managing a grocery retail supply chain is a challenging. If we will ignore, I'm sure this can lead to huge losses. So, to become a successful store, we need to manage our store's inventory. In making inventory, we need, first, we need to prioritize the goods that we value most. Second, when placing orders, we don't overlook the product's shelf life level. Third one, individually manage each product. And the fourth one, which I target from the start, 3 months after the operation, we are using the software or the spreadsheet to organize all data, since it is very important. Because I was really experienced when I am handling the store for 3 days. I am so really tired for doing the manual operation. So, after that, I realized that we need to use the point of sale. That is why currently, I think 3 months from the operation, we are using the point of sale, and it was working so smoothly. Although we are just adjusting for some entries, how to use the software, but slowly our whole staff was doing so well. The fifth one is purchasing schedule. I realized that need to plan ahead of time so that we can minimize the expenses in traveling, and we can know which product we need to prioritize. Sixth one, of course, we will not forget that at the end of the month we have a cash inventory. Require the cash inventory in every end of the month so that we can plan ahead of time, and it's a good practice that we can always know how much we had cash in our vault. The last, of course, since it is a store, we cannot avoid that there should be a credit. But to minimize with it, we need to improve or monitor the credit. It is a must to monitor the credit standing of the company so that we can know if the limit agreed was met or not. As we had our own policy towards the investors and to the customers, that we will give them a credit amount limit only towards the investors as well as to our valued customers. So, those are the 7 steps that we need to improve to our operations from today onwards so that we can commit our dreams to become a good grocery store. And finally, I would say to our dear investors that let us dream high, dream big. We must be optimistic that DCS will be the top store in our barangay, or not only in our barangay but in our own town in Bohol. So, once again, let's move forward. We will fight against the distractions. So, thank you everyone for supporting my plan. So to all the board of directors, we have to think or to review the 7 steps that we need to improve it. So for now, once again, to our DCS success, this is Celestino Rosales Idubos, the chairman and founder of the TAG Convenience Store.